Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to factory reset your Insta360 Go Ultra. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and factory reset your Insta360 Go Ultra. Maybe you're getting rid of it and you no longer need it and you're selling it. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? So the first thing that you're going to go ahead and do is turn on your Insta360 Go Ultra. Then you want to go ahead and swipe down. So once you swipe down, we're going to click on this hexagon icon right over here. And with this hexagon icon, you want to scroll down and you can see that there's now a factory reset button on this last option here. So if you click on that, you're going to see that there's a confirmation reset camera. This will only reset the camera settings. It won't delete any files. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and factory reset your Insta360 Go Ultra. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.